In this video, I'll break down the top 5 leather cleaners and which cleaner I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best leather cleaner and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Armor All-Car Leather Care Gel. This is our 5th ranked pick, but still effectively protects automotive leather against UV damage while cleaning and conditioning in one step. The formula contains lanolin and natural moisturizers that penetrate the leather's grain to restore suppleness and prevent premature aging, cracking, and fading. Its gel consistency allows for controlled, mess-free application and even coverage across leather surfaces. The product creates a protective barrier against spills and stains while incorporating UV blockers to shield leather from sun damage. The cleansing agents remove dirt and soil effectively, while conditioners enhance the leather's natural beauty and restore its supple feel. When applied to seats, paneling, and dashboards, it leaves a fresh, non-overpowering scent. The gel is specifically formulated for finished leather but should not be used on suede, buckskin, or unfinished leather. A quarter-sized amount is sufficient to treat approximately 20 square feet of leather surface. At number 4, we have the Leather Honey Complete Leather Care Kit. Leather Honey's non-toxic natural formula effectively restores and protects leather without using silicone, solvents, or harmful chemicals. The complete kit includes an 8-ounce leather cleaner, 8-ounce leather conditioner, and 2 lint-free application cloths. The cleaner works on both genuine and faux leather, as well as vinyl, PVC, plastic, and rubber surfaces. The conditioner, specifically designed for genuine leather except suede, penetrates deeply to revitalize stiff or worn leather, creating a water-repellent protective layer that lasts up to 6 months. The honey-like consistency of the conditioner ensures thorough absorption, while the cleaner's liquid formula removes dirt and grime without leaving residue. Developed in 1968, this USA-made product requires minimal product per application, making it economical for use on furniture, car interiors, shoes, and accessories. The kit's 2-step process ensures both cleaning and long-term protection of leather items. At number 3, we have the 3D LVP Cleaner. The 3D LVP Cleaner excels at versatile interior cleaning with its organic pH-balanced formula that's safe for all vehicle surfaces. The biodegradable solution effectively removes stains, spills, dirt, and grime from leather, vinyl, plastic, cloth, and metal surfaces without risking discoloration or damage. Its gentle yet powerful cleaning action works by breaking down both organic and inorganic substances while preserving the material's original appearance. The cleaner features a light, new car fresh scent instead of harsh chemical odors common in other interior cleaners. It can be used at full strength or diluted up to a 4:1 ratio for lighter cleaning tasks, making it economical. The VOC-compliant formula is particularly well suited for modern coated leather surfaces. Application is straightforward, simply spray, agitate, and wipe off, allowing for quick and efficient interior detailing with no residue left behind. At number 2, we have the Chemical Guy's Odorless Leather Cleaner. This is our runner-up pick and excels at removing deep-seated grease, body oils, and light stains from both natural and synthetic leather surfaces. This non-caustic, colorless formula works by penetrating the leather's pores to lift accumulated dirt and grime without leaving any residue or unpleasant odors. The cleaner helps restore leather's natural matte finish while preventing the slippery feeling often caused by oil and grease buildup. Its gentle yet effective formulation ensures the leather does not dry out during the cleaning process, making it safe for regular maintenance. The odorless nature of the product makes it particularly suitable for enclosed spaces like car interiors. When used as part of a regular leather care routine, this cleaner helps prevent premature aging, cracking, and deterioration of leather surfaces, ultimately extending the material's lifespan and maintaining its original appearance. At number 1, we have the Shine Armor Leather Cleaner. This is the best leather cleaner you can buy on the market and combines cleaning and conditioning in a single pH-balanced formula that effectively penetrates deep into leather surfaces. This 2-in-1 solution contains a blend of oils and protective compounds that replenish essential moisture while removing dirt and grime. The formula works by seeping into leather's pores to restore natural oils, preventing common issues like drying, cracking, and premature aging. A notable feature is its UV protection component, which helps preserve leather's color and prevents fading from sun exposure. The product is versatile enough for use on all leather colors and types, making it suitable for car interiors, furniture, and accessories. Its non-toxic formulation is free from harsh chemicals that could potentially damage leather surfaces. The cleaner creates a protective barrier against daily wear, spills, and stains while maintaining the leather's natural luster. Application is straightforward, requiring only a microfiber cloth and clean surface to achieve professional-grade results. For optimal leather care, the product should be applied in circular motions and allowed to dry completely before use. So that sums up my top 5 leather cleaners. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.